Electrical inspection, always a great use of ultrasound, looking for things like arcing, tracking, partial discharge corona. When we listen to kind of electrical, we're really expecting to hear next to nothing at all. In a perfect world, we're listening for evidence of partial discharge. We're listening for evidence of any kind of looseness or impacting. So if we have any components that are starting to wear, or if they aren't secure. So when we listen at this transformer, clearly producing electrical discharge. Within the software, we can confirm that we have a delta of 50 hertz. So this is actually over in Europe, being generated at 50 hertz. That's the carrier frequency over there, as opposed to 60 hertz in North America. And this is showing us that we have some destructive corona going on. So we're going to recommend that we clean that part of the transformer. Distribution cabinet, high voltage or medium high voltage coming in, voltage going out to service schools, houses. So this was in a fairly residential area. There was evidence of ozone, so kind of rotten egg type smell that was being reported by people in the neighborhood. So the hydro company came out and asked us to do a scan, and we scanned across our insulators here, and on my left insulator, this is what I was picking up. Very quiet. Actually was using a parabolic dish about 30 feet back, scanning with a laser pointer from my parabolic up and down the insulator. So nothing found here. The middle one. Now starting to pick up some noise. I move to the right insulator, and I'm able to scan to the exact point where we had the issue. So the closer I got to the source of the problem, the louder it became. So we just continue to move across until we get to the loudest source, and that's going to be our problem spot. Again, we can see in the FFT or the spectrum, 60 hertz, 3600 CPM. Here is my evidence of my repetitive impacting here, or my repetitive signal. My 2 times is my dominant peak, which is my showing me that I have a corona effect going.